The Transport Operations and Commercial Driving Apprenticeship, it's a 2-year programme whereby the apprentices are employed in their workplace, and so they're actually in paid employment for the entire duration of the apprenticeship programme. And they work 4 days a week with their employer, and they spend 1 day a week studying online, where the classes are delivered online by the ATU academic team. The programme has been designed so that it actually meets the needs of the employer and also the apprentice themselves.
The apprenticeship programs provide perfect opportunity to those who are already working in our business, but also for those wishing to come into our sector. In their first year, they will be spending time working across different departments within our organisation, closely linked to the curriculum of the apprenticeship program, so that they are seeing and applying what they're learning in the workplace at the same time. In the second year of their programme is more about the career pathway and continuance of their driver training and gaining their driving licence for rigid truck drivers and Arctic drivers.
It's very easy for me to access online anywhere within the company or at home to do my classes. What I enjoy most about the programme is learning all the different aspects of the business, whether it be in DPD or whether it be online. With my classes, I'm able to learn the technical and the logistics side of things, and then also in work then I'm able to see how the operations flow through to just go for it. There's so many supports out there when it comes from your employer and also the lecturers at ATU. They'll look after you and guide you through every bit of the journey. I find it a great opportunity to become a female driver along with the help of DPD and ATU Sligo.